Sure.
Where are we going?
Don't know.
You do know.
Going Lake District via Russia.
Why Russia, yeah. Because he wants to go south. Chicken. How far are we done then?
Don't know.
400 miles?
Something like that.
Maybe 800 miles.
We're still in England.
End of the M6. I'm in lane. I'm going to go to Kendal and Windermere. Have you ever heard of Kendal mint cake? No. Well, that's their thing. Oh, they just got a puncher. There's nothing exciting, is it, Ben? I don't know where we are. That's Windermere. This is where it gets busy, I imagine. It's got a clock. Look how pretty the views are, Ben. Here you go, this is where you're stopping in the garage. Apparently this is the parking bit where this car is parked, but I don't know. We just park here and then work it out, and we can move them in a bit anyway, can't we? Or leave them here, doesn't matter, does it? What do you think? What do you think's your new home then?
How do you know?
Because they're not. What do you think's your new house today?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be in it.
You are. You are now. Shopping done. How was your shopping experience?
Very good. I think we got enough for tonight.
Yes. Ben got a little excited. I don't know. We'll have a look, see which one's closer. Ullswater's nice. It's a bit quieter, but we might as well just go to Lake Windermere since we're going through it anyway. Yeah. It's got motorcycle parking, so. This is where we live, Ben. So, this is where we're living over there. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's very nice. I don't think you'll get there without starting your bike, Ben. You might do. You ain't going to go up that hill. Ben's trying to get to the house by rolling. Didn't want to upset the neighbours. everyone looks like they just walked out and go outdoors, don't they? It's got a seaside vibe to it, hasn't it? What do you think of Lake Windermere then, Ben?
Not a fan.
No?
No.
Why not?
Just feel like a bit like seaside town, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but it's not a seaside, it's a lake, Ben.
Not very peaceful at all.
It's very busy, yes. And it's only the morning. Ben's boots are very noisy.